Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly see who has booked a meeting with you in Calendly. First, log in to your Calendly account. Once you're in, go to the Scheduled Events or Events section from your dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of all your upcoming meetings. Each entry shows the date, time, and the name of the person who booked it. If you want more details, click on any individual event. You'll see the invitee's email, phone number if provided, and any questions you've added to your booking form. This is really helpful to prepare for your meeting. This gives you a full list of all your bookings for record keeping or sharing with your team. Finally, make sure your notifications are turned on so you get email or calendar alerts every time someone books a new meeting. This way, you never miss an appointment. And that's it. Now you can easily track all your booked meetings in Calendly and stay organized. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more productivity tips.